Hello and welcome to this Alesis tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to redeem your 30-day free trial of the Melodics desktop app, and how to set up your Alesis electronic instrument with it. First things first, you'll need to register your Alesis product to your InMusic account in order to have access to the serial code for your Melodics trial. If you haven't registered your product yet, or you don't yet have an InMusic account, check out the videos linked in the description for video walkthroughs on how to do this. Once your product is registered, on the product registrations page in your InMusic account, click the plus next to View Downloads next to your Alesis product. Then on the right, under Offers, click the drop-down menu for the free 30-day Melodics trial. Click Get a Serial to reveal your trial's serial code. Click the Clipboard button to copy it to your computer's clipboard. Next, above the serial code, click Redeem, and you'll be redirected to the Melodics website. Click Try Melodics for free to get started. Enter your name, email, and a password for your Melodics account. Check the box to accept the terms and conditions, then click Do you have a promo code? And paste your copied serial code into the box. Then click Create Account. On the following page, you'll see links to download the Melodics installer for both Mac OS and Windows. Click the link for your computer's operating system to begin downloading the installer. Keep this browser tab open and logged in to your Melodics account, as the Melodics app will need to access your account later. Once the download finishes, simply double-click the downloaded installer file to open it. Simply follow the installation prompts to install Melodics on your computer. Now that Melodics is installed, open it and click Log In. Melodics will automatically log you into the app by using the account you're logged into in your browser. If prompted by your browser, click Open Melodics. Once the app authenticates your login, it'll bring you to the setup page and ask you to select an instrument type. At this time, make sure your Alesis product is powered on and connected to your computer via USB cable. Since I'll be using Melodics with an Alesis electronic drum kit, I'm going to click Start with Drums. Melodics will automatically detect your connected instrument and ask you to hit a drum or press a key or pad on your instrument. I'm hitting the high tom pad on my kit, and we can see the high tom and Melodics respond to those hits, so I know my kit is mapped correctly. Click Next, then play something on your connected instrument to ensure you can hear audio. Click Next, then you'll be guided through the basics of using Melodics with your instrument. Complete this first lesson, and once you're done, you'll be redirected to the home page. To view the lessons included with your trial, click Settings in the top navigation bar, then click Promo Codes. Your serial code will be displayed at the top, and loads of free lessons are available to start below it. Go ahead and explore everything your Melodics trial has to offer. As always, if you need any help with using your Alesis product, head over to alesis.com/support to access the Alesis knowledge base and a portal to reach out to the Alesis technical support team. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.